There are times as a salesperson, you thought you were going to have a meeting with one person, only to go there and you're meeting with the entire board. Or he tells you, come and talk to my team, or come and talk to my staff. And you want to sell to a group of people. At this time, you can't ask questions to identify needs, really. At this time, what you're going to do is you need to announce the features and the benefits of your product to the people you're speaking to. But there's something you can do. You can build rapport. Now, how do you build rapport with an audience? The secret to building rapport with an audience is to share your personal story. When you share your personal story, people from the audience would identify with various parts of your personal story. So maybe you talk about in your story, they'll get to hear about things you're interested in. Everyone in the audience who's interested in the same thing will identify with you. In your story, you may talk about your background and your upbringing. Everyone in the audience who is probably from the same state, who probably grew up in the same area or in the same conditions will identify with you immediately. And that's way they'll be attracted to you and you'll be able to get the attention of the people you're speaking to. So after you've built rapport with the audience, you'll have to start to communicate the value of your products by emphasizing on the benefits. You may not want to talk about all the benefits, but you would like to talk about benefits that most of your existing clients have taken advantage of. At this point, you'd also need to take advantage of what we call success stories. So emphasize on success stories. What are the testimonials? What's the feedback that most people have to say about your products? So in summary, to sell effectively from a platform, the first thing is to build rapport with the audience. The second thing is to emphasize on the features and the benefits. Then the third thing is to share success stories. When you do this, the crowd will be persuaded. And finally, please don't forget to close. When you're done, just tell the crowd or tell everyone there that, okay, based on what I've said, I know you're interested in signing up. My team will be meeting you now and guiding you on how to go ahead to sign up. Then close from there.